What is backlinking and why is it important for SEO? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'd like to discuss about the importance of building a backlinks for your website, which is one of the most important aspects of SEO strategy. And if you're new here, I'm Vignes, your digital marketing advisor in London with over 20 years of experience in brand building and integrated marketing. If you want to scale your business online, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing tips. So let's get started. Do you know that websites that rank number 1 on Google have 3.8 more backlinks than the rest of the top 10 sites? So what exactly are backlinks? Backlinks are nothing but a link from one website to another, or in this case, a link pointing to your website. Think of it as a vote of confidence. When a reputable website like a news channel or any influencer or blogger links your website or content on their website, it signals to search engines like Google and Bing that your site is trustworthy and valuable. Backlinks also increase your brand awareness online, where your prospects or target customers can find about you. By building backlinks, you can significantly boost your website visibility and authority. Since backlinking takes place off your website, we SEO consultants call it off-page SEO rather than on-page SEO. When it comes to SEO practices, 41% of companies believes that backlinking is the biggest challenge. So let's see, why are backlinks so important? Backlinks serve as one of the top ranking factors for search engines. High quality backlinks can improve your site's search engine ranking, increase organic traffic, and enhance your site's credibility. Now let's see the types of backlinks we can use for SEO. Not all backlinks are created equal. There are two main types: do follow backlinks and no follow backlinks. Do follow backlinks are links that instruct search engines to follow and crawl the linked website, potentially boosting its to search engine ranking by passing on link juice or authority. A no-follow backlink is a link instructing search engines not to follow or pass authority to the link page, which doesn't directly impact SEO ranking, but can still drive traffic and improve brand visibility. So let's see quality versus quantity of backlinks. When it comes to backlink, quality is more important than the quantity. A few backlinks from high authority relevant sites are more beneficial than numerous links from low quality sites. Focus on earning backlinks from reputable sources within your industry. Now let's see how to acquire reputable backlinks. 1. By creating high quality content. Craft informative, engaging, and shareable content that others naturally want to link to you. 2. Guest blogging. Write articles for reputable blogs in your niche, including a link back to your site. And 3. Broken link building. Identify broken links on other websites and suggest your content as a replacement. 4. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with industry influencers who can share your content with their audience. And 5. Utilizing social media. Promote your content on social platforms to increase visibility and the likelihood of earning backlinks. Now let's see some kind of best practices when you're building your backlinks. 1. Seek backlinks from sites related to your industry. 2. Use anchor text. Choose anchor text that accurately describes the content of the link page using the keywords and phrases that are relevant to the page topic. Apply the same principle when you're building internet linking to help users and search engines navigate your site. Third and final one on the list is to avoid black hat techniques. Better to stay away from buying backlinks or participating in link farm, as these can harm your site's reputation. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of backlinks for a successful and effective SEO strategy, which will help your website's authority and search engine performance. But again, quality of backlinks are more important than the quantity. So if you focus on creating great content, backlinks may build themselves. Remember, backlinks are just one aspect of SEO. And if you need any help with SEO, my team at RankStackers offers a free SEO audit to analyze your website's performance and identify growth opportunities. Click the link below to book your free consultation today. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and drop a comment with your SEO questions, and I would love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips. Stay happy, keep growing, and let's build a positive world around us. Until then, this is Vignes, your digital marketing advisor. See you in the next one.